It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about Virgin Galactic stock, the ticker symbol SPCE. This is an article here from the Motley Fool. Virgin Galactic's delays continue, but there's good news. I'm not going to read the entire article. If you want to do that on your own time, you can do it. Check it out, read it in its entirety. We're just going to talk a little bit about SPCE and what's going on. Let's hit on some key points though. Another delay has hit Virgin Galactic. This time it needs 4 months in order to upgrade its mothership. While delays aren't good news, the justification is a reduction in maintenance. Long term, this could make Virgin Galactic even more profitable for investors willing to hang on for the ride. So as many of you have known already, there have been flight delays in terms of going out there into space for SPCE, and it is what it is. Look, they're talking about how one ticket costs $450K. That's definitely a lot of money, so this is definitely not something for poor people. This is not for those that can't travel, alright? This is for the big timers, the big ballers right here. Look at the delay right here. Will push commercial space flights back until at least late summer 2022. So we're talking about an entire year from now. We're not going to see any flights. What this could do to the price is suppress it because there isn't going to be a lot of action going on. But I do expect action to kick in because there will be other news going on. There will be different catalysts here and there. Yada yada yada. You guys know how it is. So the latest delay, it talks about that. And look, it talks about the long road ahead. This is the most meaningful thing, in my opinion, towards what the long-term investor is looking to accomplish. All of those delays are just ample time. It is simply more time to get into your position, to strengthen your position. And if you haven't considered SPCE stock yet, I think it's definitely a good time to get in that mode and think of whether it's a stock that you want to hold for the long term. Look, that delay will give people more than enough time. It shouldn't be an excuse at this point. If you haven't considered SPCE, you should consider it. They talk about traveling to space, all of the space flight. It's a big industry. It's going to be worth a ton of money. I mean, think about it. Richard Branson was up in space. He did it before Jeff Bezos of Amazon. So that was a win for Virgin Galactic in itself. Let's take a look at the price now for SPCE. On the day, it is at $26.62. It is up 14 cents. That is good for 0.5%. Look, it's a live ticker. We just went right now. It is completely stagnant. 0 is the profit for the day. This goes up and down. As you see, now it is down. In the last 5 days, it is up 5.38%. Let's zoom out some more. It is down 13% over the course of the last month. But going back to the price for the day, $26.48. Look, this is what I said about Virgin Galactic in one of my previous videos. I don't think that the price is going to go down as many people anticipate. I think we're going to kind of stay here and it's going to be slow growth and slow movement for a bit. But slow growth overall means in the long term you could be set up for a big win, because while the price is down, you have time to accumulate more shares, set up your position for when the big rocket takes off. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. But as I was saying, this gives people a lot of time to get in. Definitely one for the long term person. If you're someone that's not in it for the long term, I suggest, honestly, don't even get into Virgin Galactic. It's just not for you then, because honestly, you can't have this expectation that it is going to blast off and moon overnight. So if it's not for you, my honest opinion, get on out of here. SPCE doesn't need you, and you don't need SPCE. Another thing about the price, a lot of people thought it was going to head into the lower 20s and into the teens even. I was never one of those people that thought the price would get into the teens. My prediction would be $27 to $30 going up in the next leg. So we're very close to that $27 mark. So consider options plays and things like that, as it could be definitely something to look into in the near future. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It's all good. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel, as it helps tremendously. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you can stay notified, up to date, and informed. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.